Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku daily analysis for the SP 500 for Friday, July the 31st. Well, an indecisive candle today. It's a spinning top candle, almost a doji. There is a very, very small body on this candle, a green body. The color of it is really insignificant because the body is so small. And these candles denote indecision in the market. Now, it doesn't mean that there's a reversal. What this means is that neither the bulls nor the bears showed any strength today. And considering that we're in a first time frame uptrend, with the bears not showing any strength, it means that there's little reason for this market to sell off. Everyone's expecting this market to continue appreciating, but obviously the 1,000 level is having a very strong influence on this market. We saw yesterday that there was strong downside price rejection. And then today also the market has attempted to rally. We've rallied up to around 990 something and then sold off again. But the buyers started to come in again as the market traded down to the lows. Couldn't close the market up at the highs though. So closed the market roughly about around the between the high and the low in the mid-range level. And that means that neither buyers nor sellers took control at the end of the day, and neither side was showing any commitment. So we need to watch the low of the current candle for any potential sell-off. If there is, though, I doubt that it'll be substantial. Looking at this sell-off here, there was buying coming in on each of these days as the market tried to retrace part of this swing, and I suspect that that will happen again. First level to look for support, though, if the market does sell off, is at the Tenkan-sen, and that's at 969 at the moment. And we should look at how the market reacts around that level, and that roughly coincides with the swing lows and this very strong upside projection from these candles here, which is around roughly around 969 as well. If the market does sell off substantially, though, then there isn't any solid support until we get down to the Kijun-sen. That's at 933. That coincides with this the swing high here, and we know that previous resistance can turn into support, so there's a potential support area for a couple of reasons. The market will have to trend down quite significantly for it to trade down to that area, but that is potential. Also, before we get there, I failed to mention this, that we have this previous resistance here that might turn into support as well at 956. There is potential there as well. If failing the Kijun-sen and that swing high holding, then we have potential support down at the cloud here. Obviously, to the upside, we have the 1,000 level, and then we've identified the 1,007 as an area of a previous swing high, and we need a substantial close up above those levels for the market to continue appreciating. But we are in a second time frame uptrend. The market is looking very strong. If we look at just the colors of the candles, just quickly we can see the strength of this market. All green candles, and then only two very small red-bodied candles as the market tried to sell off. So a very strong market. This market looks like it wants to go up. Whether it takes out this level quickly remains to be seen. We may have congestion here. That is a possibility. One warning, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the Kijun-sen turning flat is a danger for this market. Flat Kijun-sens tend to be an attractor of price action, but it did turn flat a few days ago, and there was no substantial retracement back to there. So that could happen again, where we don't have the retracement for quite some time. So even though we had an indecisive day today, it's all telling us that the bears really don't have any power in this market. The bulls are powerful. On the day yesterday, though, they seem to be having a bit of a rest.